For more than 15 years, this company has been providing SSDs as storage when only a few companies did. A2 Hosting. Is it really the A1 hosting? Let's find out in this video. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if at any point you want to check it out, then you can do so from the description below. If you are considering A2 Hosting as your web hosting provider, there are 5 important things that you need to know before making your decision. First up, let's talk about A2 Hosting's Turbo plans. These plans are powerhouse of shared hosting, packed with some impressive features. They come with NVMe SSD storage space, automatic backups, and are hosted on NVMe AMD EPYC server with Lightspeed web server. What does all that mean? Well, it translates to top-notch performance. With 2 or 4 GB of RAM, these plans are ideal for high-traffic e-commerce or news websites. During our testing, we found that websites loaded in about 1.3 seconds, which is quite fast, although there are providers that match their speed for a lower cost. Security is another aspect where A2 Hosting shines. They offer comprehensive security package that includes free SSL certificate, DDoS protection, malware scans, dual firewall, and daily backups. They also deploy Kernel Care, a tool that updates servers without causing downtime. Plus, their Hack Scan feature actively scans and stops malicious attacks on a website 24/7. So for most projects, their security measures should be more than sufficient. However, it's worth noting that A2 Hosting hasn't been without incidents. In 2019, they experienced a ransomware attack that caused websites to be down for over a week. Unfortunately, A2 didn't provide much communication during this time, leaving users in the dark. This incident might have led to robust security measures they have in place today. Along with this, there is interesting news I thought it would be nice to know. According to A2's calculations, since 2007, it has fully offset CO2 emissions from its hosting servers via a partnership with carbonfund.org. If you want more detailed information about A2 Hosting, be sure to check out the description below. We have also included special discount links so you can save some money if you decide to go with A2 Hosting. When it comes to customer support, A2 Hosting offers 24/7 support via email, phone, or live chat. However, during our testing, we encountered a common frustration receiving links to the article rather than direct assistance. This can be quite frustrating when you are seeking immediate help. Additionally, some users have reported that live chat agents occasionally disconnect or transfer to another agent, leading to unnecessary delays. Now let's talk about the pricing. A2 Hosting offers decent pricing for their basic plans, which provide good performance and security. However, to unlock the full range of features and tools, you will need to opt for the Turbo plans. The Turbo Boost plan at under $7 offer the best balance of affordability and enhanced performance. But keep in mind that renewal prices can increase significantly, nearly tripling the initial cost. In conclusion, A2 Hosting is a hosting provider that offers a lot, but it also comes with certain restrictions and limitations. It's an affordable option with some great features for those looking to push their website to the extreme. Whether A2 Hosting is right for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. That's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Now, if you are looking for a tutorial on how to make a WordPress website, then you can watch this video right here, and you can watch my recent video from here. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.